This stylish induction hob from Siemens is perfect if you're looking for a quality model with clever features. There are 4 cooking zones to choose from in 3 different sizes, perfect for cooking with both large and small pans. This Siemens hob has intelligent induction technology, which is a safer, more energy-efficient way to cook. Special electromagnets inside the hob heat up when they sense an induction-friendly pan or griddle on top. Instead of heating the entire cooking zone, induction technology simply heats what's inside your pan. This method makes it really fast, efficient, and because it only leaves a little residual heat behind, it's safe too. Thanks to the touch controls, this hob is especially easy to use. With a simple touch of a button, you can select the zones you want and adjust the power levels with ease and precision. So taking care of your hob settings is effortless. If you're looking for a quality induction hob with clever features, this stylish model from Siemens is the perfect choice.